Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Burning Gundam / God Gundam Full Suit Build Series Part 13. I haven't had any updates in a while because the weather hasn't been cooperating with me, and it's been either too hot or it's raining outside, so I couldn't do any painting or anything like that. So we're going to work on doing some primary work because I've reprinted the biceps for both sides, and I've also reprinted the front part of one of the Vulcan cannons, and I've reprinted both of the side pieces for the skirt. So all I just got to do is sand these and put a layer of primer on there. There's still some things that are in the raw where I'm working with Bondo. I'm trying to figure out how to smooth it out. As you can see here, I still have a lot of work to do with this. I reprinted this so I get to sand and prime this, and also I went through and I welded all this, so I have to go through and I have to smooth all that out. So this piece, it's on there, it's not going to come off. And then I got a lot of other rough spots that I need to work on to make it smooth, so then I can start working on putting the primary colors on it, but because there's a lot of them. And I'm also working on the wings as well. I'm working on welding them all together. I have the one wing completely welded together, and the other side I'm working on, one of the pieces got a little warped, but I'm just going to try to weld it together. And some of the pieces, there's a little bit of a gap, so there isn't a lot for me to weld together, because I figured welding these together would be a lot better than trying to super glue, CA glue, or epoxy or anything like that, because with the PLA welding, it's going to have a good solid bond. So let's get sanding and painting. Okay, so I've got everything sanded. As you saw, some things were falling apart. I got to go back through it, and I got a PLA weld those together. One of the pieces that fell apart was one of the biceps. I can easily just PLA weld that together, and then that'll have a more solid connection. And there was also on the front part of the chest, one of the Vulcan cannons was coming loose. I have to re-weld that as well. So pretty much once I'm done that, then I'm going to start. Some of the pieces are going to get their first primary cover, their primary coat of filler primer. Some are going, the pieces that are gold, I'm going to start painting them the final color, which is going to be white with some detailed lines added afterwards. And there are some that are still in the gray. That means they still have some work to do getting the cracks taken care of. Then I have to do a layer of filler primer on that, then a layer of red, and then a layer of gold. That's how I build up my colors like I've done before. Just a lot of repairs here and there that need to be done. And with the boots, I gotta re-weld those together. I gotta make those stronger because one of the sides actually broke on a weird seam, which I didn't see before, but I can go ahead and fix that with some PLA welding. And after that, I'm hoping to get more of it done, get more of it painted, and then to work on the final colors, which is going to be your white, red, yellow, blue, gray, dark gray, and probably another color that I may have missed. So let's get welding. Okay, so I've done as much painting as I could possibly handle. My thumbs are really hurting from constantly pushing the can. But I got a lot done. I got everything sanded. I got a lot of stuff smoothed out. I got the shoulder Vulcan more secure. I welded it, but I did a better job welding that on there. This is what the chest looks like now. It's a whole lot better. It still has some rough spots, but it's still gonna have it no matter what. And here are some of the pieces that I just got done painting with the white color. It looks really nice. I just have to go through it again with another coat of white, and then I'm gonna add the black line details as needed. And the boots need some more work because I gotta make sure that I have those nice and secure. And then also I'm still working on the front skirt part because some of it got a little broken, and I have to go back through and just re-weld it together like I did with the back, which is looking a lot better. Here is the back skirt. As you can see, it looks a whole lot better, a lot smoother, and it's not like 6 different colors like the original orange, gray, blue, gray PLA that's on the inside. Okay, so that's going to be it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.